from the title of this video and the thumbnail, you already know what this video is about, so let's dive right into it. So I'm going to be telling you how you can actually own a channel in 10 days. Yes, how you can actually work step by step from day 1 to day 10 and you will have your channel on and running. Okay, so the very first thing you will do on the first day, that is day 1, is to get your girls together. Like, go get your girls. If there's anyone you need to get, okay, I made mention of the girls you'll be needing if you are starting for the first time. I made mention of the fact that you need a tripod for stability, you need an external microphone for your voice enhancement, just to push up your voice a little bit. Guys, equally there is Bluetooth shooter we use for taking pictures for thumbnail, and some of the tripod actually comes with it, though those ones are quite expensive. Okay, you can actually start with what you have, but basically you need a mic, you need a tripod for stability, and you need a camera. There's actually nothing you can do here on YouTube without camera, unless you want to actually do a kind of faceless YouTube channel, okay? But if you have to film here, like show yourself or show any stuff, there is every need for you to own a camera. When I mean camera, I'm not actually referring to camera itself. You can use anything you have. If you have a camera, it's perfect. If you are using your phone, it's still okay, okay? The most important thing here is you have something to capture you, something to capture your image and enhance the quality of the content you're about to give out to the world. Okay, so on the first day you get your girls ready, and I think it would be nice if you could get a pen and paper for this very tutorial, because I think it's gonna worth it. Okay, so the first day you get your girls ready, and on the second day you're gonna script your intro video and a main video. That is your introduction video, you're gonna script it versus the very first video you're gonna be pushing out to the audience. And let me tell you something real quick. They say first impression matters a lot. So if you are creating your very first video, whether the intro or the main video, please script it very well. Make sure to add colors to it. Make it so enticing and valuable. Okay. Day 3. Film your intro video. Now on the third day you have to film your intro video alone. Now for a start, I won't like you to get entangled with stuffs about YouTube, like creating multiple videos in a day. As someone who is new in this journey, I'll advise you start with one content a day. So you just film your intro video on the day 3, okay? And on the 4th day, you have to film your main video. That is your first valuable content, okay? Day 3 you film your intro, just leave it there. Then day 4 you actually film your main video. Okay, I have my reason for saying this. If you have enough chance that you can actually film your intro and actually edit it the same day, it's fine, it's perfect. But if you cannot, just for us to go this smoothly without being stressed, okay, it is very important that you don't try to create this or make this to be stressful for you from the beginning, because it's gonna make you to burn out real quick. Okay, so our advice on the 3rd day, you create just your intro, leave it at that, and on the 4th day you create your main video. Okay, now on the 5th day you can equally add filming a shot on that 3rd day, so that you can have one shot, one intro video and a main video by the 4th day. I don't know if you got the gist. So instead of you just sitting all through, on the 5th day edit your intro video and your shots. On the 5th day you have to edit your intro video and your shot on the 5th day. Remember, we are making this to be as seamless as possible. If you start YouTube journey stressfully, trust me, you're going to burn out real quick, because right here you have to learn the act of being patient, like taking things easy and as well being patient. That is just it for you here on YouTube. Okay, so on day 5 edit your intro video and your short. Okay, and on the 6th day create thumbnail for your intro. Create thumbnail for your intro on the 6th day. Now I'm leaving all this time space just for you to use it to play around when it comes to editing. Okay, if you are editing just a thumbnail in a day, I'll kind of give you that space for you to try on a lot of stuff before you actually arrive at a particular thumbnail. So you take your time, and that way you're gonna improve your thumbnail skills. Okay, so take your time, design just a thumbnail on that 6th day, nothing more. Okay, so on the 7th day then create your channel banner. Yes, if you don't know how to create a channel banner, I already have a video on that. You can check it out. Create your channel banner, get the name you would like to be right here on YouTube ready. Like your YouTube name should be ready. Everything that you want to add, if you have any social media handle that you like to add the link there, like everything you need that you're going to use to set up your channel should be ready on the 7th day. Okay, I equally have a video for channel setup. You can actually check it out as well. Okay, now on the 8th day, edit your first main video, not your intro. You have edited your intro before now, so today being the 8th day, you should edit your first main video. And if you have time left, you can equally edit your short as well if you haven't done that. Okay, and now on the 9th day, create your channel and set it up. Yes, I have a video for that, how you can actually create a channel and how you can actually set it up as well. So you can check it out to see how it is being done. Okay, so create your channel, set it up on the 9th day. We have 1 day left, and on the 10th day, being the last day, according to this video, upload your intro video. So that's how we can actually schedule and own a channel in 10 days. Okay, now moving on, if you want to know how to move on from there, I'm going to just add 2 to 3 days extra for you. So now on the 11th day, after you have uploaded your very first video, being the intro video, sit down and do a kind of scripting again for another video. Okay, you can actually script maybe on 2-3 ideas. Yeah, you can actually script more than that if you choose to. Okay, if it is something that you know well, like you're passionate about, you can easily script anything at any time. But if it's only one, you can actually do that. I just said 2-3 so that you can actually add, like, use your time very well. Okay, so you script another video for another production. Okay, that is on the day 11. On the 12th day, just go ahead and post your first main video. So you upload and still film another video. If you can film 1, fine. If you can film 2, wonderful. If you can film 3, perfect. Okay, it's gonna aid you to have a lot of content to put out there that you're not gonna run out of content. Okay, so you do that on the 12th day, and on the 13th day, try editing one out of the video you've created and upload it, schedule it for display. Okay, and I'm going to be stopping here. I promise I'm just going to add 3 days extra and continue this way. It's going to help you to stay consistent. Okay, give you a stressless YouTube journey. Okay, let me not forget to tell you that all these things depend on your time, how you schedule it to be. If you are on a 9 to 5, then it's going to be a little bit kind of difficult for you to follow this pattern exactly, unless you want to film during the night and work during the day, which I know is going to be a kind of stressful for you. This can only work effectively for someone who is not on 9 to 5. Okay, if you're a 9 to 5 and you actually want to know how you can actually start up, then let me know in the comment section. And that being said, if you're seeing me for the first time, so welcome to the channel. Right here, growth is the color. We talk about YouTube growth, business growth, self-growth, self-development, like everything it has to do with increasing yourself. Okay, and don't forget to keep staying safe since our next video, and bye for now.